Shafique, how are you?
I am good. I am great. How are you doing?
I'm okay, a bit tired. I'm not gonna lie. This is the second day of 2049. It's been 2 long days, and I wanna play a game with you. Are you ready?
Obviously.
Great. Okay, it's gonna be agree or disagree. Modular blockchain are better than monolithic chain.
Modular blockchain. Yes, agree. Agree.
Agree. And of course, Meta Earth is
Modular.
crypto can solve wealth inequalities.
Inequalities.
Wealth inequalities.
Inequalities. Disagree.
You disagree?
Yeah.
Why?
Because not everyone has the same knowledge of crypto.
Okay.
First of all, the layman has to learn that what is actually the blockchain is.
Okay.
What is actually the crypto is. Because if we talk about the world, all over the world, only 1% actually know about the blockchain.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it can remove the inequality between 1%.
Yeah.
But for the other 99%, just when they didn't get educated about the blockchain, they are not well educated about the crypto, then I can say at that time I can disagree.
Okay.
For 99%.
Okay, makes sense. Then I want to ask you something. Do you think what Meta Earth is doing with their tokenomics, the UBI, Unconditional Basic Income, is possible?
Everything is possible in this world. And in crypto world, every innovation, and especially the innovation made by the Meta Earth, was totally different and totally unique. As that, I was just surprised when I came to know that 0.1 Meta will be unlocked on every human.
Yeah.
This was very different and very innovative idea from the Meta Earth, and so love Meta Earth.
We created literally our tokenomics to give one MEC at least to each person.
Yes, that was a great idea.
Web3 can help fight climate change.
Disagree.
Well, do you know what we do from a sustainable point of view? So I explain to you. We basically empower coders to create application for carbon emission tracking. You know what's carbon emission? Yes. So basically, company cannot fake it anymore. Everything is recorded on chain, and if they are not sustainable and they have too many carbon emission, it's seen on chain and they have to pay for it. So I'm gonna ask you the question again. Do you think Web3 can help climate change?
50%. 50%.
Okay, fair enough. Makes sense. It's not gonna solve it, but probably can help.
Help it, yes. At that point, I can agree.
Yeah. I wanna ask you, you've been in the space a long time. So, what shift have you been seeing in the space, like project-wise? Because I believe that since when I started in crypto, everything was about speculation, everything was about DeFi. Now there are many projects that are about social purposes. They are about creating something for real issue. Have you been seeing this shift? What do you think about this?
First of all, I belong to Pakistan. In Pakistan, especially if Pakistan has a big innovation in the crypto industry, then I think that other countries will also have a big innovation in this. Because if we talk about 2022 or 2021, crypto was crime in our country. Doing crypto is a crime. But in 2025, all the regular authorities has regulated the crypto. Pakistan and its own government is launching his own CBDC. And recently, if you have heard the news, CZ visited Pakistan, and CZ is financial advisor of Pakistan Crypto Council.
I heard that. That's powerful.
Yes, and this is the good face of Pakistan in crypto industry. Because in my life, I have seen, living in Pakistan, I have seen a crime converting into future. In 2021 or 2020, it was a crime, big crime. and in 2025 it is registered as this is the future of Pakistan and future of life. So we can just I want to say that in the field of crypto innovation and upcoming innovations, this is the major problem and major learning perspective which has the main hurdles in most of the countries. They are not going to adopt the crypto just because of some hurdles, or you can say state bank issues or banking sector problems. They don't want to regulate, especially banking sectors are very scared by the crypto.
Yeah.
So they don't want to easily regulate this crypto or these CBDCs. So I am very happy. I am loving it because I belong to a such country in which in 2020 I was not even allowed to make crypto account. Not even allowed to make crypto account, and now I am the well-known KOL of Pakistan.
Woo! That's great. That's actually like that's a good way to explain how the space is evolving so far. But we are still at the beginning, guys. Even though we are evolving fast, we are still at the beginning, right?
Yeah.
So get into Meta Earth now.
Join to Meta Earth, love Meta Earth, and see you in the next token.
Woo! Let's do like this. Thank you. That was good.